Hello Year 3 and welcome to Lesson 4 of Spelling for Week 2. And our spelling words today are century and business. And we'll also be adding the suffixes that begin with the vowels, so ed and ing, ed and ing. And there might be a few others on the way as well. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so first of all, our target word is century to begin with. So, do you remember yesterday with accident, we had to find, with the different clues, different words that are within this word. So we've got sweet and innocent is our first one. The opposite of false is our second. And to make someone better is our third. And they all have 4 letters, those words. And then after you finish that, cover up the word century and then write it down in your book and see if you spelt it correctly. Okay, pause the video now, give them a try, and then when you're ready, unpause and we'll check the answers. And we're going to move on in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the first answer was cute, the second was true, and the third was cure. And then if you tried to spell century, it would be century. Well done if you got any of those right. If you got all of them right, amazing. Let's move on. Okay, I'm going to leave you to do this one. This is about the word business. So if there's anything here that requires you to write anything down, I leave you to write these into your books and practice the questions about business. So pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to continue. And we'll move on in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, do you remember what a suffix is? Let's check. Well, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a root word and it creates a new word, okay? So we're going to be concentrating on adding the ed and the er and the e and the ing again, but we also have 2 new ones as well today. We've got est, est, and en, n. Let's see what we're going to do with them. Right, we are going to add those vowel suffixes to these root words. Okay, these root words, do you want to say them with me? We've got forget, prefer, commit, begin, occur, forbid. So we've got 6 words there. What do you notice about them? Do you know what they mean? Have a think. Have a look through all of them. Do you know what they all mean? Well, they all have 2 syllables anyway, so let's clap them. We've got forget, your turn. Prefer, your turn. Commit, your turn. Begin, your turn. Occur, your turn. Forbid, your turn. Well done, great work. What did you notice though when we were clapping them? They are different to yesterday's words. Do you remember when we said the word garden, garden, garden? That's right, the first syllable was stressed. It's the one that sounded louder and longer. But in this case, let's try these words. Forget, prefer, commit, begin. It's the last syllable of the word. Occur, forbid. Yeah, so the last syllable is the one that is stressed. And that's the one that we're going to pronounce louder, and it would be the stressed syllable. I wonder if that has an effect on how we're going to spell our root words when we add a suffix. Let's see if we notice the rule. Yep, there is a rule indeed. Look, forget. So normally that would be spelt Forget. But that is different. Look at that. There's another T there. So it looks like if our root word has a stressed last syllable, we have to add another one of the last letter. We have to double the last letter. So forget becomes forgetting or forgotten. Prefer becomes preferred or preferring, and they all have 2 letters at the end of that root word, so it doubles the letter. Let's see what we can tell from this. We're going to have to practice our spelling words now. So you'll see here are our new spelling words. Down the side, we've got forgetting, forgotten, beginning, beginner, preferred, preferring, occurred, occurring, forbidden, committed. Sound like a song, okay? What I want you to do, it says there, see how many times you can write each spelling word correctly in 30 seconds, okay? What I would do, I think, because I've tried to do it, it's really tough. So what I would do is choose 3 of them and then set a timer for 30 seconds, maybe on a phone or something, 30-second timer, and then see how many times you can write that single word out. So you might want to start with beginner, for example. So you write down beginner and see how many times you can write it down, spelling it correctly in those 30 seconds. And you can practice this as much as you want because it will really help you remember how to spell those words. Okay? So give that a try. Pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to continue. And we will continue in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, last part of the lesson. We've got handwriting and we've got the OR, the OR join. And with that join, it's in some of our spelling words. It's in forgetting, forgotten, and forbidden. Okay? So once you've finished writing your 5 OR joins in a moment, you circle your favourite OR join, and then you will write out those 3 words. Well, that's what you need to do anyway. So write those 3 words out after you've done your 5 ORs on your page. Let's look to see how the join is done. Here we go. The OR join. So we start on the line. We're only going to go halfway up. We join the circle, top join with the R all the way down to the line, up and then flick. And look, nothing ever goes more than halfway up that line in your book. Okay, it's quite a small join. Play it one more time and then I'll leave you to it. Right, follow that and good luck. Yes, circle your best one and then try those 3 words. Well done with the spelling and handwriting again, everyone. Join in tomorrow for our final spelling lesson of the week.